Meaning of dressing gown.
Dressing gown.
Dressing gown.
Dressing gown.
Dressing gown. A dressing gown is a loose, open-fronted robe that is worn over normal clothing, typically in the morning or evening when getting ready for the day or preparing for bed. It is often made of a soft, comfortable fabric such as cotton or silk, and can range in length from thigh to ankle. Some dressing gowns feature pockets or a hood for added comfort and practicality. Overall, the dressing gown provides a cozy and convenient layer of clothing for lounging or performing basic tasks around the house.